From these lush green hills, the journey of the banana begins, bringing fresh fruit from our farm to your factory.
Looks good, send it through. All right, next one here.
Make sure the latex is fully removed from this batch.
Yes, I am checking them now. They are ready for the next stage.
Here in the ripening room, temperature and humidity are precisely controlled by our central systems.
Firmness is good on this bunch, but the color is slightly inconsistent. The system flagged that. Overall score is still premium though.
We need these ripe right orders expedited to Zone 4. Copy that, moving them now. The count matches the manifest. Let's move these inside quickly.
Roger that. The customers are already arriving.
These bananas look perfect today.
I agree. The quality here is always consistently fresh.
Before sealing, each snack bag is flushed with food-grade nitrogen gas to help maintain crispness and reduce. From the freshest tropical fruit to our state-of-the-art facility, we deliver premium banana chips to customers around the world.